Oh, hello, Leshark here, 5-star Marine. What's that behind me? Well, that's our new boat. She's called the Interceptor. It's like a dinosaur. Rawr! And you can book it right now. But before that, let's have a look around her. She's lovely. Rawr! Dinosaur! So, we'll start at the back with these two things here. These are called engines. And not just any old engines. Oh no, 350 horses in just one. Which means if you add up 350, hold on, 3, 6, 7, 700 horsepowers. That's right, there's 700 horses in here. Good, isn't it? And also, there's a little ladder here, so if you're out snorkeling, you put the ladder down and you can climb out. Right, let's keep going. Come on. 700 horses! Here, look. It's even got like a little beautiful shaded area where you can lie down and take in the beauty of Phuket while the 700 horses blast you around. What? What? You get anywhere with 700 horses, can't you? It's a lot of horses. Anyway, beautiful, shaded, apart from this bit because the sun's behind me. Back little deck area here, which is quite nice. And these float. It's always nice, so if you fall in the sea, you can use one of these to float on, which is good, isn't it? Nice, this, isn't it? Oh, good. Interceptor! I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, it's great to have a nice little back deck and you can lie down in the shade, but what about if I have something to eat? Is there somewhere to sit? Like a little table so all of us could sit down and have a nice lunch together? Or some fresh fruit or a drink? Wow, looky there. There's a table with seats. I'll show you. See? Table. And these are all seats. You can sit here, here, over here. That's right. Probably can't see me now, can you? No. Anyway, you can sit everywhere. That's right. Table, seats, shade. Good. The Interceptor. Ah. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, what about if I want to store some stuff? Well, luckily, it's got a little cabin you can store stuff in. That's good, isn't it? Or you could lock people away.
Stop it. Get some help.
No, don't lock people away, because that's bad. But, little storage area, nice, good, thumbs up. You could also have a little sleep in here if you wanted to as well. If you're tired and you don't want to be in the sunshine, there you go. Oh, you might be wondering what this door is. Well, a little toilet in here. I say little, it's bigger than the toilets on our normal boats. That's right, it's like a luxury toilet on the Interceptor. 700 horses. Did I say she's fast? And she's good for island hopping. And she's good for couples and families. I think I've done all that, haven't I? Good, just making sure. So, this is where the captain sits. You can tell that. It's got the old steering wheel thing, and it's got like a little mappy thing here, and it's got a thing here that makes the boat go forwards and backwards. But you only really need to go forwards. She's fast, this boat. She's beautiful. There you go. You don't really need to know about all this sort of stuff. This is where the captain stuff. There's obviously safety stuff. There's a VHF radio, GPS, and all that sort of malarkey. All right, good. Should we go to the front? Okay. So, you want to feel like a king on the Interceptor? Well, you can. In your massive throne. That's right. Sit back and watch the world go by. Nice, isn't it? Just make sure you wear sun cream. Reef-safe sun cream, of course. Just enjoy your throne. Yeah. But that's not all. There's more to this boat. Oh, that's right. There's another floating beanbag right at the front of the boat. So you can just lay back and catch some rays. Nice, once again, wear sun cream, very important. But look at that, just chilling out at the front of the boat while you blast around Phuket. 700 horses! It's a lot of horses. Nice. So, what's she good for? The Interceptor. Well, she's fast, so you can go out for the whole day island hopping and get to see loads of islands, plus because she's a rib, that's a rigid inflatable boat, you go right up the beach to the front, you don't even have to get your feet wet. It's good, isn't it? And also, you might even be able to pick you up off the west coast. That's right, maybe, if you're lucky. So, because she's got 700 horses, that's 700 horses, she's fast. So, for the whole day, you can get to see loads of different islands. Not just one, not just two, not just three, not just four. Maybe even 41 in Phang Nga Bay. I'm not sure you'll be able to see all 41, but you can see a lot on this boat, that's right. So, she's a perfect boat for couples or for families. It's really up to you, with the cabin so the kids can have a little sleep, and with the toilet, a perfect boat for island hopping all day long. That's right, all day long. It's got shade and everything. Yeah, see? Good. Book her now, quickly. She's gonna be booked out very, very soon, that's for sure, because I'm gonna take her. I love this boat. The Interceptor. The Interceptor. Ready to go and explore the islands of Phuket. 700 horses, baby. See that? I just did a little voiceover next to the camera while you were looking at the Interceptor. Anyway, she's ready for booking, so book quickly, because I know she's going to get booked out, because I'm going to take her, especially my birthday, which is coming up very soon in January. There you go. I will take presents. Anyway, the Interceptor, new boat on our fleet. Woo woo! See? I told you. Oh. Shut up. I'm filming.